Ayan na sila, nagbabaan na. Meron pa sa taas, ang dami pa. Kita nyo yan? Ang dami-dami. That's a lot of starling birds. Look at that. There's more up there on the trees. When it's not raining, they go around the neighborhood and on the feeders. Look at that. Now they're gonna start fighting. They go around the neighborhood here because most houses have feeders. And when they run out over there, they do their roundings. They have their feeding roundings. I think they're done over at the other side, so they're coming over here to eat. There's so many there on the ground. I'm gonna show you guys on the ground. There's a lot of them. See that? Do you guys see that? Look how many birds on the ground. The fight begin. Did you guys see that? They're starting to fight now. They're very aggressive. Those starlings are really, really aggressive. They bite on each other. But they go together. You know, they go roaming around together, but they fight on each other. There are more on the ground than on the top there. I'm gonna show you. There's a lot of them on the ground. Those are not starlings on the ground. They're not starlings. I don't know if they're Janko or... I'm not sure. I can't remember the name of them. Because there are more droppings when the starlings hit the feeder. That is just crazy. Look at that. It's so many of them. There are more on top of the trees too. I think they're waiting for them to get done. So many. The smaller birds are on the ground, you know, feeding on what the starlings are dropping. The feed. They're very clumsy. And they waste a lot of food. So thank goodness for the little birds on the ground. They're eating what they're dropped. They're fun to watch. I love listening to them. Oh, you know, I posted a rabbit, right? My short video. There he goes. They're all gone. But anyway, I posted a rabbit on my short video. And the next day, there was a lot of hair on the ground. So I think that rabbit got eaten. I feel so sorry for her. I haven't seen the rabbit all day yesterday and today. So I think the coyote was over and eating them. We're not seeing a lot of rabbits like we used to. They're almost all gone. I think, yeah, I'm thinking the rabbit got killed that night. Poor thing. Because the hair are all over on the yard here. They're white hair, so... And I'm, you know, pretty sure that was the only rabbit. Late in the afternoon, still feeding. And usually, when it start getting really dark, probably about 10, 11, or midnight, I hear the dogs barking. And I think that was when the coyotes are roaming around here, looking for cats or rabbits to, you know, to kill. So that's sad.